Hello one, so another day and another task to do. Yeah, bench is messy as usual. Yeah, this little guy is still waiting for relays. I found out the box, I get the buttons and everything. Just need to find out the relays and make steering. Put it all back together and this will be rolling and crushing some branches. Anyway, what I'm gonna do today, it is those guys you are see that at pickup video, and there is quite a lot of extruded alu on it. Some of it it's actually already clean, just like this little guy. So let's just drop it in here for now. And yeah, there's tons of those smaller stuff, as you can see. And if I remember right, 13 blinds altogether, extruded alu cover, extruded alu pipe inside of those, plus those materials. And yeah, there is one more, slightly different, but anyway, same deal. Extruded weight over there. And yeah, so let me just play with this and let's see how much alu we could get out of it. So see you soon. So hey again, little update. As you can see, this is bottom part of self blind, and at those smaller one I got almost all of them done. They're just laying over there. And at the small one there was such a kind of piece of iron as added as an extra weight, so it will just probably not fly away or not waving on the wind. Anyway, I begin to with the big one and take the bottom side, but it's just right there, nice extruded piece, but it was like all too heavy for extruded alu, so I look it forward and it also has extra weight, and it look like so. And who will guess what those are made of? Ha! Nice score. Anyway, so I got quite nice lead yeah, weights. It was serving as a weights, but how cool, quite heavy. So as well I get some kind of lead score to the collection. So tiny update, that was nice surprise. So I begin to play with this forward and see you later on after I finish up. So okay, so guys, almost all finished. As you can see, all empty. Nice, clean it up. And yeah, about the trash of that one, not really a lot, because as you can see, those tiny bucket, not even halfway full. Yes, I'm laying on the ground, but anyway. What else? I still got to fish out those pipe from these guys. On each and every one there is one pipe. Anyway, I decide to wait until at least tomorrow so I can just go out with it, roll it on the flat surface, because as you can see in here there's not so much space. I figure out it's take much less space and will be easy to get rid of after I roll it back, instead of dropping into the bags, because I believe like 2 or 3 will fill up one bag and then I need to drop it to burning. And if I roll it, I could drop it into, let's say, carpet stuff and such materials, so they get reused. Anyway, in here I got at least 50 kilos of extruded alu, because each of those one weighed around 4 kilograms. There's more than 10 plus all those lower sides and all those extra profile in here, so there is very easy 50 kilograms of it. What I do with this next, I will just grab it and drop it in my trolley for extruded. Boom, boom, boom. I still doesn't have access to my big door in my shop, so I have to struggle and go through all those labyrinth and small door. Anyway, as you can see, there's some carpets and there's one of the blinds over there. They will go together, and yeah, the rest will just end up in the trolley over there. There's something for shred. There's something for extruded alu. Anyway, slightly sticking out, but not a big deal. This actually doesn't belong here. This is supposed to be over there somewhere. Anyway, there's two blinds. As you can see, this one quite long, and this one behind it, they are still full, waiting for scrap. Anyway, they have engine inside, so that's even extra things. Anyway, so that's my tiny tray with extruded. There's some simple alu, and yeah, all mess, waiting for cleanup, and shred tray. Anyway, so I hope you all guys enjoy, and yeah, see you all at the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.